Hello students, how are you? I think all of you will be fine. So today in this video we are going to learn about our NCERT book class 4 subject math chapter 4 tick 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 and page number 46 and 47. One more thing, if you have not seen our previous video of this chapter, then you should go in description section and follow the link. Now here you can see this is the page number 46 of your book and topic is holidays are fun. So let's start this video. Atif's holidays had begun. He was very excited. He had made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Sabana. So he wrote her a letter. It means Atif's holidays had begun. So he is very excited and he made some wonderful plans and wanted to tell his cousin Sabana. So he wrote a letter to her. Now you can see here, this is the letter written by Atif and name is here Atif, and you can see here Ajmer. It means place is Ajmer and date here. Now, dear Sabana Appa, hello, how are you? I am fine here. Appa, my holidays have started from today. It means on this date, because this is date of letter. So on today date is 1st May 2006 and I am going to my Nani's place on 5 May 2006. I will be back on 20 May 2006. My school will reopen on 30 June 2006. When does your school close? Why don't you come here? We will have great fun. Bye for now. After this, Sabana, who stays in Nagpur, got his letter on 6 May 2006. She wrote back to Atif. Now you can see here, this is the Sabana's letter. For Atif reply. Dear Atif, hello, I am doing well here. I got your letter yesterday. Happy holidays. My school will close on 1st June 2006. It will reopen on 10th August 2006. I will go on a school trip to Goa and will return on 7 June 2006. I will try to come to Ajmer after that. Bye. Now here Atif wrote his letter on 1st May 2006. You remember how we write a date in numbers. You can see here 1st May, 5 is representing for May and 06 is representing 2006. Now move on our next page, page number 47, and you can see here. Now write which dates these stand for. You can see one date is already written and next we can write here according this. Here you can see this 5 also representing May, so we can write it 20 May and 06 is representing 2006. 6, and here 7, and 6 is representing for June and 2006. Next, here 1 is representing for January, so we can write 1st January 2007. You can see here 07 is representing for 2007. So this is completed. And next is write these dates in numbers. Now you can see here month is June. So what number will come in replace June? You can see here January for 1, February for 2, March for 3, April for 4, and May for 5, and June for 6. It means we can write in place June. So we can write 1, 6, and here 2006 we can write 06. So this is completed. Similarly, you can write this here May. You can see here January, February, March, April, May. So 5 stand for May. So we can write 35 and 06. And next is 10, August for 8, and here you can see 07. It means 2007. So this is also completed. And you can see here some other questions. So let's start to try to solve. How long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? So which is the letter? The letter is from Ajmer to Nagpur. It means the letter written by Atif. Now you can see here, this is the letter written by Atif. And the question is, how long did it take the letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? It means letter had written on this date. It means the letter post on this date and reached on Ajmer on this date. So how many days the letter took to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur? Here you can see on 1st May to 6 May. It means number of days will be from 1 to 6, 5 days. Okay. So answer of the question is 5 days. The letter to reach from Ajmer to Nagpur. Because this letter post on this date and reached on this date. And next question is, how many days will Atif spend at his Nani's place? Now look on the letter. Here you can see on Atif letter, I am going to my Nani's place on date is 5 May 2006. I will be back on 20 May 2006. It means Atif spent at his Nani's place 5 to 19. Okay, because on 20 Atif return. So how many days will be? We can find out easily by subtract 20 minus 5, it will be 15. So we can write 15 days. Otherwise you can calculate it easily. You can see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 not countable because on 20 Atif will back. Now you can count here number of days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer of the question is 15 days. You can write here 15 days. And next is fill in the table. Here you can see this is the table. Here dates from to number of days: Sabana's holiday and Atif's holidays. Now first we try to write here Sabana's holiday. So look on the Sabana's letter. Here you can see this is the Sabana's letter, and you can see my school will close on 1st June. Okay, once again, close on 1st June. It means on 1st June school will be closed. It will reopen on 10 August. Remember this, reopen on 10th August. It means on 9th August. 9th August school will closed. Now we can write here 1st June 2006, and here 9 August 2006. So how many days will be from this date to this date? Now try to calculate here number of days. On June 30 days, and on July month 31 days, and on August month will be 9 days. So total days will be 70 days. Okay, so we can write here 70 days. Number of days 70 days. And next, Atif's holidays. You can see here on Atif's letter. You can see my holidays have started from today. It means the date of this letter is here. You can see 1st May. So we can write here 1st May 2006. And now you can see here my school will reopen. Once again, reopen on this date 30 June. It means on 30 June school will reopen. So on or till 29 June school will be closed. Once again you can see school will reopen on 30 June. It means on 29 June school will close. So we can write here 29 June 2006. Now try to calculate here number of days. Here you can see month is May, that is 31 days on May month, 31 days on May month, and 29 days on June month. So you can write here 29 days on June month. So total days will be 60. Okay, so we can write here 60 days. So this table is completed. And next is who has got longer holidays. Here you can see easily Savannah has longer holidays because she has 70 days. It means we can tick on Savannah. And next is which long holidays do you get in school? Fill the table. Here I want to tell you in my school long holidays in summer holidays. And next fill the table, so you can try yourself in according to your school and fill here and calculate number of days. I think you can fill this and calculate this. And if you have any problem, so you can comments on this video. Finally this video is completed. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.